Welcome to my next episode. In this episode, I will tell you about the second tab of this application known as charts. As you can see in the bottom, there was codes which we discussed in the previous episode. Now, the next is the charts. First of all, I will start with the top left. You can see D1. This means that you can see each candlestick is representing a 1 day price movement. The green representing that on the specific day, for example this one, there was an increase in the price from 17,470 to 17,712, and again in next day there was an increase in the price, and the third day, for example, you can see there is a decrease. And this before the second day, the third day was closed below the second day, that's why it is red. Similarly, if you want to see a 1 minute candlestick in the precise movement of the price, you can see it over. Now each line represents 1 minute price movement. This is 330, 331. At the last of the screen at the bottom, you can see that 28 June 331, the price was the price movement for 1 minute was from here to here, from 333, 334, and goes on. The next one is M5, which is a 5 minute candlestick. It shows a 5 minute price movement. Next one is M15. It is a 15 minute price movement. You can see from anywhere, like any currency, for example the top euro US dollar, just click on it, click the chart button, and you will be on this. M30 represents 30 minutes, half an hour line. H1 indicates a 1 hour line. H4 indicates a 4 hour one line representing 4 hour price movement. D1, a 1 day price movement. Week 1, a 1 week price movement. And lastly, 1 month price movement. So in the month of 1st October 2008, the price started to decrease from 1.4143, and it ended up in 1.2786. The next month there was not a such increase, and then the next month again there was a huge increase. This is about the time frame of each chart. Next is the plus button. You can see this is a pointing tool. You can just move around and you can see what was the price at this time, this day. At the down here you can see date, and on your right hand side you can see your price. You can check anytime, anywhere, what was the price here at this date, at this time. This F means you can add technical indicators. I have a very detailed technical indicators tutorial. You must watch it before you trade, and they are most reliable and personally experienced, and I am using that one, and you can really earn some good amount of money if you follow that strategies and these trading indicators. The last one is your adding object. For example, you want to add a line. You can see that this is a line, this is a support, that the price will just come at this point, and again bounce up, and again this price it may bounce up. So it's just objects. From this line you can see that the trend. So these are just your objects. You can delete it from here, just swipe it and you can delete it. Rest, you can zoom in and zoom out your charts as you see that what is easy for you. You can also, in the middle of the each window, for example this main window and the second window, there is a line. You can just long click, you can see this dot, and you can increase or decrease its size depending on your preference. You can also close your any window just by swiping it and delete it. This is all about charts tab. In my next episode, I will show you more about the trading tab. Thank you.